What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day, enjoying yourselves out there. It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep commenting. But today's video is going to be about wireless HD transmitters. So this is pretty much a HDMI transmitters where it's wireless. You don't need the wires going in the back of your TV and all this craziness to make it work. We're going to review this to the fullest. I'm going to show you exactly what are the benefits of having it and what are the drawbacks. We're going to get into the whole nitty gritty of that and explain to you guys exactly how this could be beneficial to you and how also it could be a detriment to you as well. Like I mentioned, keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep commenting. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them in the comment below. If you have one, let me know what you think of yours and keep me updated on exactly how it's working for you and how long you've had it and things of that nature. But let's get into the video a little further. All right, let's go. All right, guys, this is actually the HDMI wireless transmitter. That's the packaging in itself. The model number is MTR100, and obviously it's version V1, and it's only 1080p output only. And the frequency band is 5G to 2.4G. And obviously the effective range, distance range for this is 100 feet. So as long as you have something connected to this within 100 feet, it should work. So let me go ahead and open the box and show you guys exactly what's in the package in itself. So inside the packaging, you just slide it out like so. And it comes with the instruction how to go about casting it. And obviously there's a transmitting pod and there's a receiving pod. So the transmitting piece will actually go into any device that you're trying to plug this into. So that actually means your cable box, your Xbox, your PlayStation, and things of that nature. But also one little thing I want to bring to your attention is these are not great for gaming. There's a little lag that comes with it when you actually do game with these. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention. It's not long, but if you're trying to get it to the point where it's actually uploading in real time, a regular wire HDMI is definitely going to be your best option there. And also another drawback is these are not 4K. So these are only 1080p. If you have a 4K TV or you're expecting to get 4K images, this might not be the proper route for you to go as well. So let's get into the packaging further and see what they have going on. So that's just one of them. The transmitting piece has a HDMI, actually USB-C, sorry, not HDMI, USB-C cord plug right there. And obviously, as you can see, you have that little power button. You push that and it starts transmitting information to and trying to find the receiving key. But I'll show you guys how that works a little bit later. Inside of it is the instruction manual. Obviously, you need to look through these. And definitely very cool. These are made in China, of course. And the link will be in the description below as well for these products. You can definitely get those in the description below if you need. I'm not going to tell you the price because yesterday's price is not today's price and prices keep going up on stuff. So I don't want to give you the wrong price. So I'll just put the link in the description below so you can get you one. And obviously these are all the accessories that comes with it inside another little box. And these accessories are HDMI mini extension cord. Those are USB-C wires, USB to USB-C wires. There's two of them, and obviously there's a HDMI to USB cord right there. And obviously there's a regular HDMI mini to HDMI extension as well for phones. So that's pretty much that in a nutshell as far as accessories is concerned. These I know will definitely need to plug in order to make this power this on to make it work. So we're gonna go into it and figure out how to make it work. I'm gonna do it off of my cable just to showcase it to you guys further. I'm gonna do it off of my cable and show you guys exactly how it works off of cable. So we'll get to see some stuff and we'll go from there. So let's get to the next part of the video. All right, guys. I actually decided to change my mind. I'm actually gonna use my security camera system, my digital video recorder, to actually use these from. So I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna start going and installing them. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is take one of these, which is most likely the transmitting one, which would be this one, the one with the TX, of course, and plug it in the back of my camera device. So it'll be like so. So it'll be plugged in the HDMI port right there. And automatically it starts with the blue light and it's looking for the other one that's not yet plugged in. So we'll go ahead and get that squared away in a little bit. And the next step from there is to go in the back of my TV like so and plug the receiving one in the HDMI port of my TV. And here we go. All right, guys. This is the transmitter in itself. You guys, you could see the signal is strong on it. It's transmitting. TX is actually going into the device that you want it to project the image from or the videos from. And this is all the images from this right here, which is my home security system that I was installing. I'm not really a big fan of it, Zoc, but that's a story for another day. Watch the video all the way to the end to see my next video that I'm about to do. And that's actually the RX right here. That's the receiving one. And as you can see, it has a little blue light. It's transmitting perfectly. Working great, so can't go wrong with that. That's pretty much how that works in a nutshell. Like I mentioned before, it definitely is not for someone who is a gamer. This is not for you. It's definitely something to get used to for sure, but it is definitely easy and user friendly for sure. Like, for example, this goes all the way in the cabinet. The TV's all the way out here. As long as it's within 100 feet, I'm good. So as you could see, the signal's over there. So now I can get to work and set up my cameras and get them running back again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe like I mentioned before. And I'll catch you guys on the next video, which is possibly gonna be these right here, dot cards. All right, guys. Enjoy, guys. Peace.